Out of 100 stars, what would you give America's Home Place?
Well, I think on a points basis, it would be pretty close to the high 90s.
Okay, stars, 100 stars. What would I give them? I would give them 95. They done everything they said they were going to do, and they done it on a timely basis.
You can't
I'd
give
say
everybody
90.
100.
I know.
I would give them a 96.
Okay.
96, wouldn't you?
That's pretty good.
What is your number? That was my number.
I was thinking 96 or 97.
Okay, we can give them a 97.
You know, the things that we opted for, they were quick to provide those to us.
Real high marks.
This whole process was just so streamlined. We had no trouble
No.
at all with anyone.
And they kept me on budget. That I like the best. In fact, be honest with you, when the house was finished, I was $5,000 under. So I went and bought me some new furniture.
See why America's Home Place has over 3,500 Google reviews and an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars.